Hello everyone, welcome to Ronnie Tuitions Maths has fun. As I promised you, the next video will be on the quadratic equation as comment came on that. So in this quadratic equation total series, first we are taking what is the quadratic equation, then what is the standard form, after that how to solve it, then we read about the two types of solutions by the factorization method, by the quadratic formula method, then we will learn next in that the discriminants of that, if it is the greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0, then what are the conditions of that. So let's we start the video how it is. So first the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, quadratic means the 2-degree polynomial, 2-degree polynomial, 2-degree polynomial, and that is equation is called the quadratic equation. 2-degree polynomial, 2-degree equation is called the quadratic equation. Means here the power, the highest power of the variable, variable must be 2. So we can see that one. Yeah, if the 7x square plus 2 is equal to 0 means this is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is the power having the 2. It's the degree is 2-degree polynomial. 2-degree equation is called the quadratic equation. So standard form of a quadratic equation, the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers, and a never will be 0. Because of a, that is the with the x square, the coefficient of that is the x square, that is only make the quadratic equation. So we understand that the standard form of a quadratic equation, is QE. QE is quadratic equation. QE is means the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In that the a never will be 0. If a become the 0, then it become the linear equation. It can become called the linear equation only. So this can be 0, b can be 0, c can be 0. Then that are called the adjective quadratic, pure quadratic equations that are called. But a never be 0. So in that form we can write a. Suppose that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4. Simply I am writing just taken numbers. So 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a form of a quadratic equation. But if we are writing this one, then this is not called the quadratic equation. Why? Because of in that this is not the 2-degree polynomial. This is single degree polynomial. Single degree polynomial is called the linear equation. Single degree polynomial. Now in that we are going directly to the exercise. So first here exercise 4.1, in that according to the CBSE or NCERT, CBSE, or in that the exercise 4.1 first main question it is asked that the question said that check whether the following are quadratic equation or how we can find that it is a quadratic equation nor the quadratic equation. If the degree is the 2-degree equation is called the quadratic equation. If the degree is not the 2, then it is called the normal. It is not the quadratic equation. Means if the form, standard form, it is in that form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this form came it is, maybe the b can be 0, c can be 0, but a not 0. In that square it will come, the any variable square comes, it can be the p square plus 2p minus 7 or 8 is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. It can be written in the, suppose that this value become the 0, so p square minus 8 is equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. It can be written like p square minus 2p is equal to 0. This also a quadratic equation. Yes, this is a quadratic equation, this is a quadratic equation. But if we written the 2p plus 8 is equal to 0, this is not the quadratic equation. This will not be the quadratic. Why? Because of in the variable, the highest power of the variable not be the 2. So that it is. Now let's taking the questions from the exercise. So 4.1 first main, in that first question check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Question given x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. we have to show that whether it is a quadratic equation, yes or no, we have to write in that. So what we have to do, according to that we are doing. Now it is the A, it is the B, A plus B whole square. You know A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. You read in the earlier classes or lower classes in that time. So here A is equal to X, A is equal to X and B is equal to 1. So we can write this expanded form in this identity. We can write it X square plus X means 2X. This formula to A and B. A is equal to X, B is equal to 1. So 2 into X, 1 is equal to 2 only. Plus B square means 1. This we can write. Or if you are more totally expanding want to do, then it can written A, behalf of A I can written the X. X square plus 2 into A. A means what? A means X. B is equal to what? B is equal to 1. Plus B square. B square is equal to 1 only. So 1 is square. So this I can write in like this X square plus 2 into 1, 2 and X 2X plus 1. This behalf of that I can write is equal to this 2 into X 2X minus plus into minus 2 3 is 6. Now this form came. Now we are transposing it, means LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. One side are variable taken going, transposing X square written plus 2X. Now this 2X taken coming this side, means this side taken came. So here it will become the plus is there. So it will become the minus 2X plus 1, this 1. And this will come this side, so plus 6 is equal to what? This side nothing remaining, it means 0 it is. You learned in the 8th standard this one. Now this can be considered. Because of plus 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 1 and plus 6 is equal to plus 7 and is equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because of x square came. X square came means yes, it is a quadratic equation. So we can write yes, it is a quadratic equation. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Now second one. First main, second one. Question number 2. Question number 2 says that here given x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. We have to prove that, or we to show that whether it is a quadratic equation or not the quadratic equation. So we are doing according to x square as it is minus 2x is equal to minus into plus minus 2 3 is 6 minus into minus plus 2 into x 2x. Now what we have to do? We have to do transposing, means changing the side, LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. Now x square as it is minus 2x, this 2x, this number taken coming this side, so it will become minus 2x and minus 2x, then this one this side comes, this side comes, then it will become the minus plus 6 is equal to what remaining? 0 remaining in that. Now we can do it like this. X square minus 2x and minus 2x, like variables, like terms are can be added and subtracted. So this one minus 2x, it will become the 4x minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. And yes, it is a square came here, so it is yes, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation because of the power. It is a standard form. In this way it is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this standard form it is. By minus plus, that sign according to the sign. Here minus plus can be there. We can change it. But it is the in this form, standard form in that, so that we can say that yes, it is a quadratic equation. I hope understanding. Next we are going first main third equation. So first main third equation says that x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 4, x plus 3. We have to show that whether it is a quadratic equation or not the quadratic equation. So now it is the two terms are there. So we are multiplying this. This first term, this multiplying, let the choosing one box in that. Suppose that I choose this one. So this one breaking into x plus 1 and minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to, in that also choose the, suppose that this one, this x into x plus 3 in then minus 1 into x plus 3. I choose the box and that is same written as it is, and this one box, one bracket is there, that one broken into two parts because of two terms are there. X into x, this one x into x, x square, plus x into 1, x, minus 2 into x, this one, 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 into 1, 2, is equal to 2x into x, x square. Now this one plus x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into x, x, minus into plus, minus 1 into 3, 3. Now we are like terms we are thinking. So x square, this one like terms are here. So 2x minus 2x plus x is equal to what become minus x, minus 2 is equal to, this is written x square. These are again like terms. Plus 3x minus x is equal to plus 2x minus 3. Now we are doing the transposing of this one. So x square minus x, this one, this will take and coming minus x square. This x square here, this x square, this x square take and coming this side to minus x square. Then this one minus x, this will take and coming this side minus 2x. Then minus 2, this one minus 2 here, and this taken coming here plus 3 is equal to what remaining? That's at 0 remaining. Now this one plus x square minus x square, it is become the cancel. This become minus 3x and then plus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah, it is a quadratic equation. No, it is not the quadratic equation because of x square not. It is not in the form of ax square. No, it is not the quadratic equation. No, it is not the quadratic equation because of it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this form it is not comes. So it is not the quadratic equation. It is not the quadratic equation. Next question number fourth one. First main, fourth one. In this exercise there are the two mains are there. So in this video only first main. Second video part number 2, that is the second questions. Forming the equations. Number 4 it says that x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 bracket close in is equal to x into x plus 5. We have to show that whether it is a quadratic equation or not the quadratic equation. As before that, this x taken, this 2x plus 1 as it is, minus 3, 2x plus 1 as it is equal to this one multiply x into x, x square plus x into 5, 5x. Now we are multiplying 2 x into x, x square, 2x square plus x into 1, x, minus 3 into 2, 6 in is equal to into x, minus 3 1 ja 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now some like terms are there, we have to transpose this side. 2x square, this will come x square, this side come likes minus x square. Then plus x minus 6x is equal to, we can write here minus 5x, and this will come this side. So it will become the minus 5x. Then here remaining the minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square is equal to x square minus 5x minus 10x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. It is. Because of it is in the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in this form. So yes, it is a quadratic equation. Next we are going question number 5. Fifth one. First main, fifth one. Question written here, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. This is the question written. We have to show that whether it is a quadratic equation or not the quadratic equation. Same as it is, we choose any one box. 2x outside taken, x minus 3 same is written, minus 1 into x minus 3, this side also equal sign, x into x minus 1, this box breaking, this box keeping as it is, plus 5 into x minus 1. Now multiplying 2x into x, 2x square minus 2 into 3, 6 x minus 1 into x, minus into minus plus 1 into 3, 3 is equal to x into x, x square minus x into 1, x plus 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 1, 5. Now some like terms are there. You are solving that one first with this much only, then this one else. In the 2x square minus 6x minus x is equal to minus 7x plus 3 is equal to what? X square minus x plus 5x means plus 4x minus 5. Now we are transposing one side, changing RHS to LHS, LHS to RHS. 2x square, this came this side, minus x square minus 7x, this will come this side, minus 4x plus 3 minus 5 is equal to what remaining? 0 remaining. Into what remaining? 0 remaining it is. 2x square minus x square is equal to remaining x square only. Minus 7x minus 4x is equal to minus 11x plus 3 and plus minus 5, so minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is also square came here, this square came, so we can write yes, it is a quadratic equation. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. It is because of it is form in the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In that way it is the way. So I hope you are understanding. Now question number 6th one, first means 6th one. In the next video we will see that how to form the quadratic equation and how to find the solution. Then solution, in that there will be the two parts. One is the factorization method and one is a quadratic formula method. Another one, fourth part it will come. In that it will come the find the discriminant, nature of the root, nature of the roots. So like the total 4 parts of this chapter will come. Now 6th one, question number 6 one, in that it is written here x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube, whole square it is. Now again this can be written as it is x square plus 3x plus 1. This is a minus b whole square. So you know a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a in that a is equal to what? A is equal to in that x. B is equal to what? 2. We are keeping in that. So x square minus 2 into x into b. B we have behalf of b written 2 plus 2 square. So we can write it x square minus 4x, 2 to the 4, x plus 4. We can write, means I can write at behalf of that x square minus 4x plus 4. I can write. Now transposing we are doing, means this side x square, this x square come this side, then minus x square, then plus 3x, this will come this side, then this will come this side, then plus 4x, then plus 1, this plus 1, then this side 4 will come this side, then minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this and this is become the cancel, because of plus x square minus x square become the 0. The remaining 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Can I ask you whether it is a quadratic equation or not? Obviously you will tell it, sir, it is not the quadratic equation. Yes, it is not the quadratic equation because of it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I hope you given the same answer on that. So this is the 6th one answer. 6th one is no. Next 7th question going. Seventh one, it says that x plus 2 cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now it is given the a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube it is given. You know a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b. I hope you know the identity of this one. If you don't know, please go to my post in the channel and you can see that there are the 23 identities I given. Post, in that post one photo will be there. In that it will be. So here a is equal to what? X. B is equal to what? 2. So we are keeping in this formula x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into a. What is the a value? A value is the x. B value what? 2 into a plus b means same, x plus 2. X plus 2. Now we are solving it. After this I will come to this point. So x cube plus 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 it is. Plus 3 to the 6. X into x plus 2. Solving this again, it will come x cube plus 8 plus 6 into 6x into x, 6x square plus 6 into 2, 12x means behalf of this I can write this one. Now keeping on this point, I will write this one, x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to, now solving this one, 2x into x square, 2x cube plus into minus 2x into 1, 2x. Now we have to do transposing. Transposing x cube. This came this side, minus 2x cube plus 8, number this side not there, plus 6x square, this side is square not there, plus 12x, this will come this side, plus 2x is equal to 0. Now this what become minus x cube, minus 2x cube minus x cube is equal to minus x cube, plus this one remaining 6x square plus 12 plus 2 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now shall I ask you the question whether it is a quadratic equation or not? Obviously you will tell, sir, it is not the quadratic equation. Why? Because of it is a cubic polynomial, cubic equation. Because of the x the power what is that? 3. So no, it is not the quadratic equation, not the quadratic equation. Next, last question of this first main. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 cube. X minus 2 cube. Now again it is came that this form a minus b cube. A minus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A minus b. In that, according to that, here a is equal to x, a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 2. Keeping into the formula, x cube minus b value what? 2 cube minus 3, a value is x, b square, b value what? 2 plus 3 into a value x, b value 2 square. Keeping x cube minus 8 minus 3 to the 6 x square plus 3 to the 3 4 the 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12x. Now behalf of that we can write this one, behalf of this one. Now this one same writing, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to this one, x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12. Now transposing this side, x cube, this taken coming this side, minus x cube minus 4x square, this side square is there, plus 6x square minus x, this side is the, this side another one, 12x is there, so this side will come then minus 12x plus 1, and this side will come then this one 8, so plus 8 is equal to what? 0. Now this is this cancelled upon, this remaining here 2x square, this will become the minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. So that we can say that yes, it is a quadratic equation. Like that, the first main completed. Now second main, it will be in the next video. Thank you for watching.